To program this drone, we are going to use the Python programming language. Now, to do this, we are going to first install Python, and then we are going to use an IDE, which is an integrated development environment, to actually write our code. So we will first go to python.org, and over here we will go to the download section, and you can download the latest version, or my recommendation is to download the 3.7.6. So that is the most stable version that I have found to work well. So you can go to all releases, and over here you can find 3.7.6. So you can download this, and then you can go to the PyCharm download section. Here you can see you have for Windows, you have for Mac, you have for Linux, and here you can download the community version, which is free and open source. Now, if you want to understand the IDE a little bit more, you can think of it like a notepad but with more functionality. So whenever you are writing the code, it will tell you where you are making mistakes, it will help you debug the code, and overall it has much more functionality than a regular notepad. So this is why we need the IDE. So one of the most famous IDEs for Python is PyCharm, so that's why we will be using this. Now the thing is that I have already installed both of these things on my computer, so I'm not going to do that again, but I have the footage from one of my previous courses, which was about OpenCV Python course. So it follows exactly the same procedure. So I will show the footage of that right now, and you can follow the same steps. The only difference will be that when you are naming your project in PyCharm, name it something like Tello course or Tello programming course or something like that. So let's start with the installations. First, we will go to python.org, and we will go to the downloads section. Here we are not going to download the latest version. Instead, we are going to download 3.7.6, as this works well with OpenCV. So we will click on download, and then we will head on to the Windows version. Now, if you have Mac, you can download the Mac version as well. Once the download is complete, we will install. Make sure to add Python 3.7 to the path. So once the installation is done, we will close the dialog and head on to PyCharm. So we will head on to its download section, and we will download the community version as it is free. Once the download is complete, we will run the installation file. Here we will associate the .py files to PyCharm, and we will also add launchers directly to the path. Next, we will restart the computer and run PyCharm. So now we are going to create our new project. Here, before we start the project, we will look into the project interpreter. Now this has to be 3.7. So if it's automatically detected, then we are good to go. So let's write down OpenCV Python and hit create. So now this is the PyCharm environment. Over here we have the area where we will write the code, and on the left hand side we have the project files and the project folders.